You've worked your whole life to build your nest egg, and now, retirement's here, but the ground beneath your feet feels like it's shifting. Markets up one day, down the next. Inflation doesn't seem to quit, and now there's talk of the Fed walking back rate cuts, while tensions abroad and election uncertainty shake investor confidence all over again. But there's a strategy, one that retirees like Tom Reynolds from Sarasota, Florida are using to sleep soundly at night, regardless of what the headlines say. And it started with a single decision. But before I tell you what Tom did, let's talk about where we are right now. The S&P 500 just had its worst quarter in over a year. Oil prices are surging again, and recent CPI data shows inflation is not cooling as fast as many hoped. According to CNBC, nearly 1 in 3 Americans now fear running out of money in retirement due to ongoing volatility and shrinking buying power. And can you blame them? Traditional retirement plans are often exposed to the exact forces tearing through today's economy: inflation, market swings, and political unrest. But here's what's not exposed: physical assets that hold intrinsic value, like gold. Tom, a 68-year-old retired engineer, had about $540,000 sitting in a traditional IRA. He'd watched his balance bounce around for years. But last fall, after seeing his grocery bill climb and another sharp dip in the market, he rolled over just part of it, about $180,000, into a gold IRA. Not everything, just enough to give him peace of mind. He told me, "I just wanted one part of my retirement that wasn't riding a roller coaster." Since then, the markets have swung. Inflation's still an issue, but Tom hasn't lost sleep. Why? Because a portion of his savings is held in a tangible asset, one that has historically thrived during economic uncertainty. And it all started when he claimed a free guide, just like the one we're offering in this video. You can get a free Gold IRA guide and a no-obligation education call with a real expert, not a sales rep. No gimmicks, no free silver traps, just straight answers so you can see if this makes sense for your situation. And if you've got $100,000 or more in a 401k or traditional IRA, you owe it to yourself and your family to at least understand your options. Click the link, request the free guide, take the call, and decide if this might be your shield. Tom's story didn't start with some brilliant financial move. It started with a question: what if I could protect just one part of my retirement from the chaos? Now he has clarity. You deserve that too. Secure your retirement, leave a legacy, sleep better at night. Get the guide.